You don't need fancy gadgets or expensive products to live sustainably. Today I'm showing you the Sustainable Urban Life Starter Kit, everything you need to reduce waste, save money, and live greener. For under $30 total, these are tiny, affordable upgrades that make a big difference in apartment life, especially in cities. Let's jump in. First up, a reusable microfiber cloth. This one item replaces paper towels, cleaning wipes, and disposable dusters. It's washable, lasts for years, and traps way more dust. You can find one for about $3 to $5, and it'll save you from using over 200 paper towels. Use it for kitchen cleanup, bathroom shine, and dusting. It's the ultimate budget cleaning tool. Second, a refillable glass spray bottle. This cuts plastic waste instantly and lets you make your own safe, effective cleaners for pennies. For a simple all-purpose cleaner, just mix half vinegar and half water, then add about 5 drops of lemon or tea tree oil. A good bottle costs around $5 to $7, and your homemade cleaner will have zero toxins. Third, one LED bulb. Yes, just one. Start by replacing the bulb in the area you use the most, like your desk lamp or kitchen light, and you'll cut energy use immediately. A single bulb costs only $2 to $4 but uses 80% less energy. Over its lifetime, one bulb can save you more than your entire starter kit costs. It's a no-brainer. Fourth on the list, reusable produce bags. They weigh almost nothing, hold a ton, and eliminate those flimsy single-use plastics from the grocery store. A set will run you about $3 to $5 and will last for years. Plus, they make your fridge look organized instead of a mess of crinkly plastic chaos. Fifth, a small water filter, either a compact pitcher for your fridge or a filtered bottle for on the go. If you buy bottled water, this upgrade pays for itself in 1 week. It'll cost you about $10 to $15 but completely eliminates the need for plastic bottles. The water is cleaner, it's cheaper, and it's way better for the planet. And I have a bonus item for you. One mason jar or a reusable silicone bag. Use it for leftovers. Smoothies, grains, snacks, anything. It costs just $2 to $4, helps cut down on food waste, and replaces plastic wrap for good. It's the ultimate zero-waste food storage essential. And that is your Sustainable Urban Life Starter Kit, everything you need to start living greener today for under $30. Small swaps create big habits. And big habits create sustainable cities. Hit like and subscribe for more simple, sustainable apartment hacks. Thanks for watching.